Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Numerology Guidance Cards, a 44 card deck and guidebook by Michelle Buchanan. This is published by Hay House and it retails for $22.99 in the US and $29.99 in Canada. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this deck should you want to, as well as whilst you're there, I do have a link tree that will provide you all of my social media links as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings. All right, so let's get into it. The numerology guidance cards are the ultimate tools of divination, providing clarity and insight to assist you on your path. When you're in need of answers, direction, inspiration, and hope, these cards will bridge the gap between your inner wisdom and the universal wisdom of all that is, through the ancient energy of numbers. The 44 cards in this deck contain specific numbers, colors, and words to raise your energy vibration, plus the ancient Merkaba and Flower of Life symbols to facilitate your spiritual growth. In the accompanying guidebook, numerologist Michelle Buchanan offers detailed information to aid you in interpreting your readings. These cards aren't designed to predict your future, but rather to help you create your future you desire. All right, let's open her up. Ooh, I like that purple. Okay, let's just take a peek real fast at the guidebook to see what is in store. So we have the introduction and then instructions for working with the cards and then each card's meaning. So let's just take a look at working with, because that's what we're interested in. Through the universal law of attraction, you will automatically draw the ones that are a direct vibrational match to your current situation. Upon shuffling cards and asking a question, you will automatically attract the perfect cards for you. All right. So we have a 5-minute visualization. Okay, there are no set rules when it comes to using the cards, and you can never make a mistake. Although an understanding of numerology will certainly improve your ability to interpret the number meanings of each card, you don't need to be a numerologist or any other prior experience with oracle cards to give an accurate and meaningful reading. Awesome. Okay, so let's take a look at what is in store here. All right, here's the back. We got a high gloss situation going on, but I love that back. That is gorgeous. Let's take a peek at the cardstock. Yep, that Hay House cardstock. Love that. We've got black borders, number up top, keyword at the bottom. Nice. Okay. This would be great for a daily pull, confirmation cards, if you're utilizing it with another oracle or a tarot reading. This is interesting. Yeah, I could see using this to pull during the first part of your morning if you'd like to do a pull and a meditation and see what you need to focus on for the day. What do you need to incorporate more of? What's being blocked? What is something that we need to work through? Oh, I'm excited to get into the guidebook. Oh. All right. Let's see how they shuffle and we'll pull a card. Yeah, I don't have a problem. It's your typical US game system cardstock. Yeah, they shuffle just fine. All right, can I get a card to read, please? Whoop. Okay, leadership, number 81. Okay. This card indicates a time to lovingly lead and guide others who are less capable than you are. This may apply to your workplace, community, family, or circle of friends. By drawing this card, you are being encouraged to have confidence in your ability to motivate and inspire those who accompany you on your path. This card also indicates a role as a leader in your field. You may choose to rise to the top of your game with your unique talents or to lovingly lead others to a new and improved way of life. Either way, it's time to step up to the plate and adopt a position of authority, for you have a natural ability to lead. In order to improve your current situation, you are being asked to adjust to and harmonize with the natural rhythm and cycles of your life, cycles that are encouraging you to be a compassionate leader. Remember, a successful leader leads alongside others rather than from above. Others graciously follow when you have their best interests at heart. So know that it is safe for you to lead the way. Oh, we get an affirmation too. I lead others and in turn serve a higher purpose. That is so awesome. Okay, I had no expectations with this deck, none at all. I just thought, oh, this is a cool concept. Love it. I think there's many different ways that you can utilize this. You can even use it for chakra point healing with the colors as well. So that's really cool. You can ask for what is blocked and then pull a card, or what chakra you should focus on today. There's a lot of different ways that you can use this deck. And if you're learning numerology, this is a great deck for you to do so as well. I think there's a lot of different versatile ways that this can be used. I know this deck has been out for quite some time. So if you own this deck, if you use it, please let me know how you like it or what you use it for. I would love to inquire you about that. And if this is a deck that you want to pass on, let me know the reasons why as well. What are your thoughts? Let me know all of them down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today for this short little video. I appreciate and love you guys so much. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.